Experience the new National Geographic Channel. Spectacular new shows. Around-the-clock adventure. The continuing story of life on Earth every day of the week. A new channel. A new National Geographic. Log on to nationalgeographic.com and request the new NGC. Always wonder.
Want to know more? Dare to explore. National Geographic's the place to start when you depart. Cannonball! Dive into Nat Geo animal videos. Not like in the zoo. See them free and wild. Really wild. Flip through Nat Geo Kids magazine. Get zapped by the stories behind the stories. Unknown facts about hot new phenomena and new cool technology. Talk about cool. Explorer magazine at school. Launch into space with Nat Geo books. The only limitation, your imagination. Look out for National Geographic TV. Soon to be rockin', sockin', and tingling your eyeballs. Or hey, be there for real at the Geographic Bee or join Geography action. Venture on to your own adventure with incredible new toys from National Geographic and Target. Remote control subs, metal detectors. Nothing boring, go get exploring. Whoa! Who knew there's so much National Geographic stuff out there? Not me, until now. And there's lots more yet. Check the internet. So flip, read, click, soar. Dare to explore!
There is a mysterious ritual that dates back thousands of years. No living creature has survived it, except the penguin. They have wings, but cannot fly. They're birds that think they're fish. And every year, they embark on a nearly impossible journey to find a mate. For 20 days and 20 nights, the emperor penguin will march to a place so extreme, it supports no other life. In the harshest place on earth, love finds a way. This is the incredible true story of a family's journey to bring life into the world. March of the Penguins.
Don't miss the award-winning Leapfrog Learning Video series on DVD. In the Letter Factory, your child can join Tad, Lily, and Leap as they learn letters and their sounds.
Perfect! That was exactly the right sound for the letter A.
While in Talking Words Factory, your preschooler learns how letters are used to build words.
Fun! This place is cool.
And Code Word Caper is an adventure in advanced phonics to help prepare your child for kindergarten.
Cute!
Then add the Math Circus, where early math comes to life on the flying trapeze.
+1 equals 4.
Finally, you won't want to miss our newest learning video, Learn to Read at the Storybook Factory.
Once upon a time,
Where your child can learn the magic of reading through the classic story of the Three Little Pigs, coming fall 2005 on DVD.
the magic happens in your mind and I can read!
The Leapfrog Learning DVDs are available at a retailer near you.
Here's your ride. There's your guide. Ms. Frizzle, teacher extraordinaire.
Okay, class, let's rock and roll.
All right!
It's a wild ride into the wonders of science.
Let's get out there and explore.
With Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos.
Seatbelts, everyone. Here we go.
You never know what might happen.
Class, say hello to the Dinopus spider, trapper extraordinaire.
Ms. Frizzle!
Hive alive! Follow that feet.
Wow! Check this out. Oh no! You're mine now, wimp.
Take off with Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos and find adventure on every turn.
Go for it.
We're flying!
It's a crash course in fun.
Look at these ants go!
Experiment with the mysteries of other worlds.
We're going back in time! Wow!
It's sure to be an electrifying experience.
The world is full of energy.
You'll love all of Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos.
Head for Saturn and step on it!
Based on Scholastic's award-winning best-selling book series.
Ah, the passion of science.
Get 3 brand new videos. Spins a web, butterflies, and in a beehive. Available everywhere.
All aboard!
Don't miss out on any of these exciting videos. Add them all to your collection.
Wahoo!
They're big, they're powerful, they're trucks. Find out everything about how trucks really work.
So what do you say we check it out?
Learn how a bulldozer rips down huge buildings. Look out as a monster truck smashes a car. And watch a parachute stop the fastest dragster. Get behind the wheel to find out what it takes to do the job when a fire truck races out on a call. The mail gets delivered around the world, and a train travels across the country.
All aboard!
If it moves, you'll see it. From working trucks to monster trucks.
I love this stuff.
Bring home all your favorite Real Wheels videos. And be sure to look for these new titles, available now only on video.